Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the ear tips on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so first of all we have to simply open the box with our AirPods, and inside we will find additional ear tips. They will be right here next to the cable. So how to open it? Just put it like that, and as you can see we got 4 different sizes. That's X, S, S, L, and this one are probably the medium. That's the medium size. So to take them just grab it like that with your 2 fingers and then pull it. Do it for the both earbuds. I mean for the both tips. And right now, to take it off from your AirPods, I was about to say earpods, you have to do the same. So click and hold and then pull, but I can recommend you to roll this one like that to get like the Shrek ears, and then it will be much easier to take it off. And right now, to attach this one, we have to put it for this position like that. Let me just show you. And just stick it. Just press on it, it will jump automatically. There's no big deal to put it here. And let's do it for this one. That was the left, that's the right. So roll this one, grab, click and hold, and just pull. And get this one like that. Okay, one more time. Okay, when you put it correctly, you will hear some kind of a little sound that it just jumps on this plastic part. So yeah, as you can see, that's how you can quickly change the ear tips with your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. That's basically very simple, but if you wonder how to make it, that's the quick tutorial and answer to your question. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.